Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into a true automotive legend, the Volkswagen Beetle 1100. This is the car that defined an era, a vehicle with a story like no other. If you love classic cars and want to explore the history, design, and performance of this timeless machine, stick around because we've got an exciting video for you. The Volkswagen Beetle 1100, also known as the Type 1, traces its roots back to the late 1930s. It was designed to be the people's car, affordable, reliable, and simple to maintain. The model we're talking about today, the 1100, was one of the earliest versions featuring an 1131cc air-cooled flat-4 engine, producing just 25 horsepower. That may not sound like much, but for its time, this car was all about efficiency rather than speed. What made the Beetle 1100 so special was its unique rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Unlike conventional front-engine cars, the Beetle's engine sat over the rear axle, improving traction and making it easy to drive in various conditions. Its compact size made it perfect for city streets, yet it had enough practicality to take on long journeys. The design of the Beetle 1100 remained largely unchanged for decades. Its round shape, sloping fenders, and distinctive headlights made it instantly recognizable. But what many people don't realize is that this shape wasn't just for looks. It was designed with aerodynamics in mind, which helped improve fuel efficiency. Inside, the Beetle 1100 was as simple as it gets. No unnecessary features, just a speedometer, a fuel gauge, and a few switches for basic controls. But that was part of its charm. The minimalist approach made it easy to maintain, and since Volkswagen focused on quality engineering, these cars were incredibly durable. One of the reasons the Beetle 1100 became so iconic was its reliability. Unlike many cars of its time, it didn't need frequent repairs, and when it did, parts were cheap and easy to replace. This made it a favorite among families, young drivers, and even businesses looking for a dependable vehicle. The driving experience was unique. The air-cooled engine had a distinctive sound, a soft but unmistakable hum that enthusiasts still love today. The ride was smooth for its time thanks to the torsion bar suspension, and while it wasn't built for high speeds, it was perfectly suited for everyday driving. Over the years, the Beetle 1100 evolved, gaining more powerful engines and modern updates. However, the basic concept remained the same. Even when Volkswagen eventually replaced it with newer models, the original Beetle remained in production in some countries well into the 2000s. The cultural impact of the Beetle 1100 is impossible to ignore. It became a symbol of the 1960s counterculture movement, a favorite of artists, students, and free spirits. It was featured in countless movies, from Herbie and the Love Bug to appearances in classic road trip films. Even today, the Volkswagen Beetle 1100 holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and car lovers. Restored examples can be found at classic car shows, and enthusiasts continue to drive them, proving that great design and engineering never go out of style. So, whether you're a longtime fan of the Beetle or just learning about it, there's no denying its significance in automotive history. It's a car that brought mobility to millions, one that proved simplicity and reliability can stand the test of time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite thing about the Volkswagen Beetle? See you in the next video.